How to buy crypto without KYC. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto without KYC. Now, if you want to buy a crypto without KYC, there are certain wallets that will offer you one without having to go through the KYC verification process. Now, what you can do is you can use local bitcoins, buy your digital currency anywhere, or you can use Bitquick, or you can use Bit8, or you can use Bitcoin ATMs if you have near you. Now, one of them is the Coinspade, the cryptocurrency. Coinspade is a top cryptocurrency processing company with a hot crypto wallet that can be used with multiple accounts. It includes a world-class security system, and it's also the only crypto payment gateway without KYC that has passed 2 security audits, which makes it a preferred solution for many businesses as well. So you can use Coinspade as well. So this way you can buy crypto without KYC. You can go ahead and search for a particular wallet that suits you, that works without the verification, the KYC verification. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.